To assess controversial organizations, we will use proxy indicators and ranking systems that are available on the web. First, there are a few of these indicators that are used to rank research centers and most often universities. As you know, universities are competing worldwide for the best students. They want to know how much the institution attracts in research grants, the size and quality of its international research networks, and how successful it is in placing research papers in the most prestigious journals, and for sure the number and quality of the faculty. Using these indicators and weighing them according to some custom-made recipes, several organizations rank institutions. One of the most famous is the Times Higher Education Supplement University Rankings, which assesses over 1,300 universities according to the volume of research undertaken in their labs and how much that research is quoted by other researchers and used by industry. The Times led the way. There are now many rankings of universities. A very controversial one is the Academic Ranking of World Universities, produced in Shanghai, China. RU is the only ranking system taking into account the number of Nobel Prizes, for sure excluding the Nobel Peace Prize. It sends a survey questionnaire to 1,500 deans, chairs, and heads of faculties of the top 100 universities, and according to RU, 200 bother to reply. A problem is that this list and the results of the survey are not published. The European Research Ranking of Research Institutions is a major effort at measuring the relative scientific excellence of European research centers, recipients of huge European Union grants. It achieves its thankless task totaling the funding received by each institution and counting the number of research networks it is connected to, taking into account the prestige of the partners. A consortium of Spanish universities under the CIMAGO lab has developed an algorithm that ranks 5,250 institutions from all over the world in all disciplines using the number of papers published in the most influential journals, the percentage of papers cited in patent application, and something new, the number of pages of the institution's website according to Google and the number of links to the website. There is now pure web-based ranking of world research centers. The Spain's National Research Council also supports the ranking web of world research centers produced by the Cybermetrics Lab. Cybermetrics Lab only measures what it sees on the internet. A spectacular example of Webometrics. Its January 2017 ranking included 8,000 research institutions. After institutions, we will now try to assess scientific papers.